Master Proxy, Rena and I have been monitoring.
Time to biothermal signals within the building have been located. They are located near the rooftop of Tower B.
The enemy has a hostage, so we have to avoid alerting them. Let's sneak around from the back.
Leave it to me, Sir Lycon.
I think I heard something. It's those people from the atrium! Stop them! You can't fucking ruin our plan!
Gentlemen, please give up fighting and surrender. Ellen, switch out.
Good riddance.
In position.
Can you see me? That I know. At your service. Get back! What a pain. Say goodbye to our guest. Troublesome.
What do I do, manager?
Take a break.
Going straight to the rooftop. But there are a lot of ethereals.
Roger that. We'll deal with them quickly.
Ellen seems pretty enthusiastic today.
I just don't want us to get surrounded in this narrow space. Wow, this is even more crowded than karaoke with Ruby. Ruby? Oh, Miss Helen's classmate? Shark Nami! Kindly fall into despair. Good riddance.
Take this.
You cannot stop me.
Stay calm now.
All right. Let's hurry it up.
Ellen, switch out.
Detecting. Biothermal signals near the rooftop have started to
The
move.
Tower B are stronger than before. The enemies have left the rooftop
That's
and
like
still
the
able
end.
to evacuate.
Wouldn't want to alert those militants. It appears they've gotten what they needed from Miss Rain. Now we have to prevent them from harming her.
Rena, I'll help. Leave it to me, Sir Lycon.
Nearby thermal signal detected. Biometric signature matched. Rain.
Okay. Troublesome. Out of the way.
In position.
What a pain. As you command. But I know.
Wait, Captain!
Master.
The original exit has been destroyed. They really didn't go back. Luckily, Master Proxy has found us another way out.
So many ethereals on the way to Tower B. Is it really okay?
Please, leave them to us. Now that I've recharged, it's time I get serious.
We'll be counting on you then.
We don't have much time. Let's hurry.
I have mapped out the quickest route to the lobby of Tower B.
Dance, dance! Let's not
not disappoint our customers.
Take this.
You cannot stop.
At your service.
Everyone okay?
What just happened? The entire space has been turned upside down. The space near the statue is unstable. It seems that applying even a little bit of force can trigger such changes. Now we can take a shortcut through the ceiling. It feels like the ether concentration around here is increasing.
Looks like we're getting closer to our destination.
Let's hurry it up. Out of the way. Good riddance.
Go play.
A deep clean.
All right.
Ellen, switch out.
Mina,
Warning. The airship will reach the target location in 8 minutes.
Evade now.
Take that toe now, child.
Approaching Tower B lobby.
Hang in there, everyone.
When it hurts.
troublesome.
In position.
7 minutes.
Play.
How annoying. Get flushed!
I'll bite your throat out.
Go play.
Don't look straight at the moon.
Are they the dancing sisters?
They do have the style of dancers. But now isn't the time to admire their moves.
Troublesome. Troublesome. Do you like that?
Ellen, switch out. Take this.
What a pain.
Say goodbye to our guest.
Can you resist?
Want me to do it?
The second half has begun.
Whoa.
Hyperactivity increased. They're getting violent. Be careful.
Patrick,
Rena, but I know.
take a break.
That's one frenzied ethereal. Watch out.
Shit!
Let's hurry it up.
As you command.
Can you resist? With this power?
Kindly fall into despair.